Good afternoon. We slept in.
Yeah.
I was gonna try to donate plasma, and then I started sneezing. And then after sitting here for a little while, I was about to suggest it again, and then I sneezed again. So I'm gonna take that as God's way of saying no. So I guess we're just gonna chill here today, figure something out. I'm trying to cash out on Mist Play, which is a good loyalty app for gaming. So you play games, you get units, you cash out. I'm trying to do that so that we can do laundry. Other than that, the Lord our God is our provider. We trust in Him.
Yeah.
So,
Hi.
we didn't do anything.
We didn't do anything.
Um,
Other than stream.
yeah, my sinuses and then my stomach decided not to cooperate, so we didn't donate plasma.
No.
We don't have money for laundry, so I think I'll, and by that I mean I'm fairly confident that I'll be cashing out on Misplay tomorrow, so we'll have money tomorrow. So tomorrow's gonna be busy.
Yeah.
Go to the doctor's office, go do laundry, and he's got a phone call to make, and then we both have work.
Yep.
So yeah, I think that's it for tonight.
I do believe so.
With that, God's will be done. Much love to you all.
Good night.
Thanks. Bye.